Make sure your object is shaded smooth. Connect a shader to RGB node and a color ramp node to the principled BSDF shader. Instead of the principled BSDF shader, you can also use a simple diffuse shader. Set the color ramp interpolation mode to constant. Set the viewport to material preview and tweak the stops on the color ramp as desired. You can change these colors from black and white to something else. By clicking on a stop and then on the field below it, you can choose a color. Click on the plus button to add more stops. In render view, make sure there is a light, for example a sunlight. The light strength and angle determine the look as well.